Alright guys, now I want to arrange these numbers from least to greatest. So I'm going to know what I know about comparing and see if I can go from least to greatest. But it is super important that you pay attention to what order it wants you to go in. So here we have thousands, thousands, hundreds, thousands, thousands. So if we're going from least to greatest, this hundreds is automatically going to be my first one because we know that hundreds is smaller than thousands. So I'm going to write 120. And when I write it, I'm going to cross it off because I already used it. Well, now, remember when we compare, we're going to compare the largest value first. So here we have 3,000, 2,000, 3,000, 1,000. Well, the smallest one is 1,000. So again, we're going from least to greatest. So that means 1,300 is going to come next. So I'm going to write that. When I write it, I'm going to cross it off. And in between each number, we're going to need a semicolon. So we're going to put a semicolon there. So now let's look at our numbers again. We have 3,000, 2,000, 3,000. So again, we know that 2,000 is smaller than 3,000. So that's going to be our next number. So 2010, semicolon. I'm going to cross it off because I already used it. Now we have 3,000 and 3,000. Those are the same. We have 0 and 0. Those are the same. 0 and 0. Those are the same. But now we come to 1 and 2. Well, which one's smaller? 1 is smaller, so we would say 3001 would come next, semicolon, and then 3002 would be our last one, and we cross those off. For number 4, we want to arrange them from greatest to least, which means we're going from big to small. So we need to look at our numbers. We're in the 100,000s, 10,000s, 100,000s, 10,000s. Well, if we're going from biggest to smallest, we're going to look at these 100,000s first. So I'm going to compare. We have 100,000 here, but we have 700,000s here. So these two numbers are different. So I'm going to circle them and compare them. Well, I want to know which one is greater. Is 1 or 7 greater? We know that 7 is greater. So the first number we're going to write is 721,500. Semicolon, and then cross it off. So then our next number is our other 100,000s, 158,000. Semicolon. Cross that off. Now we can go back and look at our 10,000s. We have 1 10,000, 1 10,000. We have 5,000, 5,000. We have 200s, we have 300. So we ran into different digits. So I'm going to circle them. I need to figure out which one is more, 2 or 3. Well, we know that 3 is more. So 15,307 will come next. And then lastly, 15,230 will come last. And we can cross that out.